Hey guys, today I'm going to explain you about zero knowledge proof, also known as the zero knowledge protocol. So if you get into Wikipedia and search what is zero knowledge proof, then it says a zero knowledge proof or a zero knowledge protocol is a method by which one party, that's the prover Sham, can prove to another party, the verifier Ram, that he knows a secret without conveying any information apart from the fact that he knows the secret. It's like you know a secret and you want to convince me that you know the secret without revealing the secret. It's kind of confusing, right? So let me explain the same in a simpler manner. Let's take an example of Alibaba cave. First, we have Ram, who is a verifier. Second, we have Sham, who is a prover. Now this is the Alibaba cave, which has two parts, that is part A and part B. And in between there is a gate which is locked. So if a person enters part A and wants to complete the circle and come out of the cave through part B, then he has to have the key to open the gate in between. So in this scenario, Sham knows the secret to open the lock and wants to prove Ram that he knows the secret without revealing it. Now Ram is going to examine Sham. For examination purpose, Ram asks Sham to enter the cave from any of the paths, that is part A or part B, but has to come out from that part which is on the spot randomly selected by Ram. So let the exam begin. Sham enters cave through path A and hides somewhere inside. Now Ram comes and announces his randomly selected path, that is path A. There you go, Sham comes to him through path A and succeeds. Now second scenario, Sham enters cave through part B and hides somewhere inside. Now Ram comes and announces his randomly selected path and announces path B. There you go, once again Sham comes to him through path B and succeeds. Looks like Sham was lucky twice, and let's see the third scenario. Sham enters cave through path A and Ram comes and announces the path B. Now the only way for Sham to come through path B is by opening the lock. So Sham opens the lock and comes through part B, thereby proving that he knows the secret. Here Sham knew the secret, that's why he could convince Ram that he knows the secret. But what if Sham was lying? Since Ram would choose A or B at random, Sham would have a 50% chance of guessing correctly. If they were to repeat this trick many times, say 20 times in a row, Sham's chance of successfully anticipating all of Ram's requests would become vanishingly small, about 1 in a million. This will prove that Sham does not know the secret. Thus, if Sham repeatedly appears at the exit Ram names, Ram can conclude that it is very probable that Sham does in fact know the secret word. Finally, they come to an agreement that Sham knows the secret without revealing to Ram. In this case, all the conversations are intact between Ram and Sham. The third party will not have any clue of what Ram and Sham are discussing. A zero knowledge proof must satisfy three properties. The first being the completeness. So when I say completeness, with that I mean, if the statement is true, the honest verifier, that is one following the protocol properly, will be convinced of this fact by an honest prover. It means both prover and verifier should be honest and should not cheat on each other. For example, Sham came from path A and he will argue that he came from path B, which is not true. Next is soundness. So with soundness, what I mean is, if the statement is false. So no cheating prover can convince the honest verifier that it is true except with some small probability. For example, Sham enters path A and Ram asks him to come out of path B. Instead, Sham comes out of path A, which proves that Sham does not have the key and the statement becomes false and it can never be made true. So the third and the final is the zero knowledge. So if the statement is true, no verifier learns anything other than the fact that the statement is true. In this case, the Alibaba cave satisfies all the three properties of zero knowledge protocol. ZK-SNARKS has inherited zero knowledge protocol so that it can be implemented in a cryptographic manner. It has been implemented in ZCash, ZClassic, and ZenCash, and even many other cryptocurrencies. So because of the anonymous nature of this protocol, zero knowledge technology is loved by the privacy focused cryptocurrency. So this was all about the zero knowledge protocol. So hope this video was helpful for you. Now you can follow us at Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and Steemit. So for more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Techno Saviour.